So this problem, it is a square pyramid. Base edge 50, height 70, long rests on one of its base on HB such that two of the base edges parallel to VB. So the first position, it is easy. We have to make it resting with respect to the parallel edge. It is cut by an inclined section plane such that the true shape of the section is a trapezium. Here in this problem, when the section plane cuts the square pyramid, here we get a trapezium whose parallel sides measure 20 mm and 40. So they are giving the true shape of the section and their dimension, that is a true trapezium, and where the parallel sides measure 20 and 40. Draw the front view, sectional top view and true shape of the section, and what is the inclination of the section plane with HP. So that's what we have to find out. So first I'm going to construct a square pyramid. Okay, here I'm going to construct XY. Here it is parallel. So you can see here base edges are parallel to VP. So it is 50 mm. We should measure. So square it is a pyramid, means we should draw the slant edges. So the slant edges should be thick line. Remember it. B, C, D, O, and O1. And here, so the height, it is 70 mm. 70 means 7 boxes. Okay, so we draw projection lines here also. Okay, so B dash, A dash, D dash, C dash, O1 dash, and O dash. So here trapezium, we can see here it is cut by an inclined section plane in a way such a way that true shape of the section is a trapezium whose parallel sides are measured 20 and 40. So here, so I'll be cutting for 40. Okay, here I'll be cutting for 20. Okay, so this is what the trapezium, which is having parallel edges 40 and 20. It's 40. This is 20. Okay, so this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. Okay, now we project it upward. So this is what the sectional top view. Okay, we project it upward now here, and where it is cutting here. Okay, so this is where the sectional plane is cutting. Okay, this point is 1 and 2, 3 and 4. So parallelly we are going to draw one line here. Okay, this is x1, this is y1. Now using protractor, it will draw perpendicular points here. Okay. Okay. So it is done. Just a little extend it so that if we require to cut any arcs, so that we can do it. So first point we should cut, that is 1. That is 1. Same way on the line we have point number 2. Okay. Point 3. Then we have point number 4. Okay. So this is 1 and this is 2 and this is I think 3 and this is 4. Now we have to join this. This is the true shape of the section. Okay. Okay, so it is done. So if you just measure the distance, it is exactly 40. You can see that. So it is a trapezium. This is 20. This is true shape of section and this is trapezium. Okay, now we have to find out the angle here. So how much angle of inclination this is having, and this is having angle of inclination, that is theta 40 degree. Okay, so this is what completes the problem. Okay, so the next problem here, it is a square pyramid of base height 30, height 50, resting on its base on HP in such a way that one of its base edges making an angle with VP. So here the resting position of the square pyramid, we have to place it in such a way that so one of its base edges has to have 30-degree inclination to VP. So like that, our first position. It is cut by a section plane perpendicular to VP, parallel to HP, perpendicular to VP and parallel to HP, and passing at a distance of 20 mm from the base. So here the section plane, okay, here the section plane will be perpendicular to VP and parallel to HP. Perpendicular to VP means it will be like this. Okay, so here the section plane will be perpendicular to VP and parallel to HP. So it will be cut like this. Okay, so at a distance of 20 mm from the base. Okay, so here it is, the problem is very easy. Okay, so first we draw an XY line, VP, HP and Y. So first we have to take a reference point and we should mark for an angle 30 degree. You can see here 30° to VP. So mark for an angle 30°. Okay, here consider inclination 30°. Okay, so here it is a square pyramid. Square pyramid of base dimension 30 means, so we can draw like this. Okay, using compass we can construct the problem here. So measure 30. So 30 mm and cut 2 arcs. Okay, and draw vertical line for a, so here it should be constructed with 90°. Okay, so already we have cut it for 30 mm. Okay, so we join it. Okay, so it is done. Show the dimension for 30. So it is done. You can see that this is a square pyramid. So that means we should draw the slant edges. So we can write A, B, C, and D. This is O and O1. Now I can project it to complete the front view. Here the height of 50 mm from the axis we should consider. Okay, A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, O1 dash, O dash. Okay, here this is having a height of 50. Okay, so it is done. Now you can see it is cut by a section plane perpendicular to VP and parallel to HP. So it is passing at a distance of 20 mm from the base. So 20 mm means, so this is where exactly our section plane is cutting. So I'll make the end of the line thick. Okay, so it is done. Now we have to mark the namings. So this is 1 and this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. This is where it is cutting the section plane. So 1 we have marked, and the same way it's cutting here. Point number 2, point number 3, point number 4 here. Okay, now we join this. This will give the sectional top view. Okay, so this is done. So we have done with the problem. You can say this is what the sectional top view. Okay, so this is this is how we complete the problem. So square pyramid of base side 30 mm, height 60, rest on its base on HP such that one of the edges is parallel to VP. Okay, so first position we have to make it sure it is resting with the edge, so that one of the edge should be parallel to VP here. Cutting plane perpendicular to VP and making an angle of 45° with HP passes through a point on the axis at a distance of 25 mm from the above the base. Draw the sectional top view and true shape of the section. So the problem here, it is very easy. Okay, see here, square pyramid of dimension 30. So here height of the prism, it is 60 mm. D dash, B dash, C dash, D dash in bracket, O1 dash and O dash. I can see cutting plane perpendicular to VP making an angle of 45° with HP passes through a point on the axis at a distance of 25 mm. So from the base 25, so this is our point. Here we have to keep the protector and we have to draw an angle 45°. Now we have to draw section plane here. Okay, and it is cutting. So here you draw projection line, and this is 1. Okay, so here it is 1, it is 2, so by projecting we are getting, so this is point number 3 and this is point number 4. Now we can join these points to get the sectional top view here. Okay, so sectional top view is done here now. This is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we keep the protector here at this point exactly here. We mark for 90°. Here also we will be marking at 90°. Okay, done. Now parallelly here with respect to this line, parallel to this, draw one more line, that is x1 and y1. Now this distance we should measure and cut. This and this. Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. Okay, we have to take compass and measure these distances, and we have to measure from this base edge. This is 1, cut. Okay, 1 we have done. Same way, 1 to 2. Okay, same way, cut 3. So 3 getting here. 4 we're getting here. Okay, so this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, we have measured this, and this is 4. Okay, now you have to join this to make the true shape of the section. Okay, okay, so this is sectional top view. This is true shape of the section. Okay, so this completes the problem.